Hey guys, Jen here. Thanks so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to give you a look at how to find group boards on Pinterest using Pingroupie. Okay, so let's get started. So, as you may or may not know, Pinterest group boards are really golden. Group boards are boards with multiple collaborators where when you pin to that board, you can have a much larger reach than perhaps pinning to your own board. Let's take a look so I can kind of illustrate. I'm going to head over to Pinterest and I will show you what I mean. Okay, so on your Pinterest account, here we are here. You have your personal boards, and these are boards that you create yourself. And so when you pin to these boards, it'll show to your audience, which is how many followers you have. And then you have group boards, which I mentioned earlier, have multiple collaborators like this board here. So when you pin to this board, it can be seen to all the followers of the collaborators of this board. So to compare, assuming you have 100 followers and you pin to the Saving Money board, then you have the potential of 100 followers seeing your pin versus pinning to a group board with 18,000 plus followers. You have the potential for your pin being seen across many more people. So you can see why these group boards on Pinterest are very desirable. Now, the problem with group boards is finding them and joining them. The actual process of joining them is pretty simple. Finding them can be simple too, but not without a lot of time. So there's this tool called Pingroupie, which I'm going to show you right now, which helps you find group boards lightning fast and join them. And this is exactly how it works. You go to pingroupie.com. It is a free site, a free resource for you to use. And you start by typing in your niche, and this can be something like homeschooling. And what it'll do is it'll search for homeschooling related group boards on Pinterest, and it'll show you these here. So you'll have the name of the group board, the person who owns the board, the number of followers, collaborators, and some additional information. So you can go through and you can click the boards to take a look at them, check it out, and join if you'd like. Now, this is how you join a group board. If you visit a group board like this, you may have a description which gives instructions for how you can join, and the instructions may include things like contacting the admin of the board by email, or placing a comment on one of the pins, or reaching out via Pinterest, some type of instructions like that. Some of the boards don't have instructions, like this one here. You can see there's no instructions for how to join. So if I wanted to join this board, I would just contact the admin, reach out to them, and ask if I can join. So how do I find the admin? You can go to Pingroupie, and it tells you that this person here is the owner. Okay, so let me find them right here. It's usually the top person that's the admin. Okay, so I know that this person is the admin. So to contact them to join the board, I can contact them on Pinterest by sending a message, or I can go to their website and try to reach out to them through their website through a contact form or contact page. And that's how I would ask to join their group board. Okay, so that's how it works. Now, The second way to join a group board is using the request to join button. So what you'll see is that some group boards will have a request to join button, and all you have to do is click that button and it sends a notification to the admin of the group board that you're interested in joining, and they can either approve or decline the request to have you join the board as a collaborator. In Pingroupie, you can sort these group boards using the request to join button, which makes it really simple. It'll filter to show all the boards that have that button, and then when you want to join, you'll just click request to join. And this is the way that I favor, because it makes it really fast and easy to join group boards. And you have some other filters here, but that's exactly how Pingroupie works. So I hope you found this video helpful and educational. I hope it helps you to find group boards quickly, saving your time, and this is a really awesome resource. It's totally free. Check it out if you have a moment, if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to support this channel, I definitely appreciate a like on this video. You can subscribe, leave some comments below to let me know what you think, so I can provide more content like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.